to test for water hardness. Water hardness refers to the level of calcium, limestone, and magnesium found in your tap water. When the water is in the clouds, it's fairly soft, but everything the rain comes into contact with on its way down is what makes it hard. It leaves spots on dishes, sink fixtures, scale buildups on showers, tubs, toilets, and poor soap lathering. It clogs pipes over time, increases the energy for heating water, and damages internal parts of household appliances that also use water. The units for measuring water hardness is grains per gallon, or GPG. 1 GPG is equivalent to an Advil pill crushed. This is a simple chart that's provided to us from the Water Quality Association to show us the different level of water hardness. The scale measures from 0 to 10 grains per gallon. 0 grains per gallon meaning there's absolutely no hardness in the water, and 10 meaning the water is very hard. All the tests that we'll do will be possible because of Lamont Laboratories testing kit, which is our certified suppliers. This is a standard kit used in the industry to show families the difference between their raw water and their raw water once it's treated. One way to measure your water hardness is using this method right here. In order to test for hardness, we are going to need to fill your raw tap water to the measurement of 1 GPG. The first step is taking reagent number 5 and adding 5 drops of number 5 into this water so we can raise the pH level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The second step is to add reagent number 6, which is called an indicator. Adding 5 drops will indicate if there's hardness present or not by turning 2 different colors, red or blue. If we added 5 drops and the water immediately turns red, that indicates the hardness is certainly present. But if the water turns blue right away, no hardness. So let's go ahead and add 5 drops of number 6 to see where our water stands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as you can see, there is certainly hardness present in the raw tap water. In order for us to determine how much hardness is inside that water, the third reagent will be needed, which is called the neutralizer. For every drop we add of the neutralizer, it represents 1 grain per gallon of water hardness until this water turns royal blue. For example, if I was to add 1 to 3 drops, the water hardness is slightly hard. If I added 3 to 7 drops to turn it blue, the water is moderately hard. If we were to add 7 to 10 drops to turn it blue, the water is recognized as hard. As well, if we go over 10, it is recognized as very hard. So let's count together and add a simple drop at a time until we get our royal blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 just to get that royal blue. That determines we have 19 grains per gallon of hardness coming from the tap water. To show you a comparison of your water once treated, we are going to perform the same test, but this time we are going to be using the treated water. Once again, we will take our hardness tube and take some of our treated water and level to 1 GPG. And like before, we will be adding 5 drops of number 5 once again to raise the pH. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like before, we will add number 6 again. Last time, adding number 6, with hardness present, the water turned immediately red. Now, after having our water treated, let's see what color it turns into. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as you guys can see, because there is no hardness present, the water immediately turned blue. But to show you guys this is not a magic show, we will take the same treated water and pass it through the tube. And you guys can see how the water remains the color blue. But with a slight touch of our tap water, adding the hardness right back, you guys can see the water immediately turns red.